right, Monica, how are you? You're on.
Hi, I'm good. How are you?
Good. What's going on?
Yeah, everything is good. I have some questions for you.
Yes.
So I'm a US citizen and I have to apply for my husband, AOS, who's on F1 visa. The person who's co-sponsoring us is a businessman. So I want to know that what business-related documents do I need to ask him?
None. You need his personal information. So you need his personal income tax returns for 3 years, his personal bank statement, and a letter. Either if he's self-employed, it would be his own letter saying, I am self-employed, I own this business, and this is my income for the year.
So do I need 1 year tax return or 3 years tax return?
I always like to ask for 3.
3. Okay. So they are a family of 3. Right now we are a family of 2, husband and wife, but we will soon having a baby. So what would be the minimum income requirement?
Well, right now you're a family of 5. So a family of 5, you start at $20,000 for 2 and add about $4,000 per person. I'm giving an approximation. So a family of 5, you should be over over $32,000.
So if when we are filing and we don't have a baby yet, it means it will be a family of 5.
Right. Once you have a baby, it's a family of 6, then you're looking $37,000 somewhere in there.
Right. And because I am the sponsor, so do I also need to fill the I-864 form?
Yes.
All right. Thank you very much.
All right. Good luck.
Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Sunny in Rapsburg, Maryland. Sunny.
Hello.
Hi, Sunny. How are you?
Yeah, good. How are you doing today?
Good. What's going on?
Yeah, I have a question. So I have a VAWA case which was filed against my mother-in-law. So, but USIS VAWA, they sent me a letter telling me that I cannot file against my mother-in-law. If there is anything that I see that my wife abused me, I should write to them and let them know. If not,
yeah,
so,
there's no abuse by mother-in-law. There's abuse by wife. There's abuse by child, but there's no abuse by and child. It's generally an adult child abusing an elderly person, but there's no abuse by mother-in-law to you. The abuse would be that your mother-in-law was abusing you. Perhaps. Either at the request of your wife, or that your wife wasn't there to protect you, or they were kind of in cahoots with each other, or something to that effect. But somehow the abuse has to be by the wife causing your mother-in-law to do things to you.
Okay, now I have a girlfriend. So, but she have a cancer. So she told me to cancel the application so that she can file for me. So I want to know if I cancel it.
You would have to get married to her. You can't have a girlfriend. You would have to marry her.
I mean, we wanna be. Since I have they said I can get.
So the answer is withdraw the case, get married if it's a bona fide marriage, and you'll get your green card that way.
Okay, so even though that she have cancer, they're not gonna deny you because of that?
That would be sad, wouldn't it? She needs you more than ever. You can always get a second affidavit of support from somebody else.
Okay, so my roommate, that is this year, the first time he filed for tax, but he has green card. Can he be able to give me affidavit?
Yes, but you generally need 3 years taxes. But if he only has 1 year, then he would do an I-864 easy. But I prefer to do a regular I-864 with 3 years.
Okay. Yeah, I'm talking about my roommate. My wife is not working.
Okay, hold on 1 second. We'll help. Thanks for watching. For more Bradshaw Live, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.